Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a sketch of a hand, and it's sitting on a mouse. So we'll start with putting down our mouse first. Now the mouse that comes with our device, it's like a mixed bag. So we could have any sort of thing going there. We could have what you call a flatter mouse. So let's imagine that this is the mouse that comes with Mac, for instance. They're very popular, so we'll just go about like that. So it's like a foreshortening there. So if we turn it around, it'll look like a flatter like capsule. So right here we're looking at it from this angle, and so now we have to put a hand over this. So what we will start with is 1, 2. That is the thumb. So I'm doing essentially the left hand in this case. And then we have a small curve line in there. Let's put in a knuckle, second knuckle, and then 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. And then somewhere there we'll just put a line in for now, and we are not doing anything else with that guy at the moment. So right around here we start sketching our thumb. Now we have to remember there's a lot of foreshortening going into this. So you could do a sausage like this, and then another sausage like that, and that would essentially cover the thumb. Actually make this a little thicker, because if you're against the mouse there, it should work a little thicker. And then you come up at the knuckle here, and then sausages again. So but going in the same way, like that, like not like this. So that way, because once the view is set, you have to go that same path pretty much. And so like that, you put in sausages there. I think that is a good word for it. It's an easy word. Sausage. Another one right around there, and another one right around there. Okay, so, and then in the middle here, so we have to have the curve going in. So right under the hand, skin folds, and some stuff going on there. And then of course you have a little bit of the butt of the hand showing there, right under the thumb, and you have the wrist going back. Now the way we can do this is we could grab ourselves a thicker pencil there. And then from that perspective we have skin folds right there. Skin folds, and let's call them like the finger lines. Nail, finger lines, nail, and then just a bit of that last finger there will actually show, and that'll be more accurate from this particular angle. And we have the mouse right there. So it's a modern mouse, and of course we can do some other things with this. For instance, we could have those fingers folded, in which case you will just bring this down a little bit, fold that finger, show a bit of the fourth finger, and rest that over the mouse surface right here. If we had a light source, let's say, of course this would be most definitely in some sort of shadow. I know there are some stray lines there that are I hope like they're not too much of a bother. So just a quick layout of the tone. Let's give the mouse a little bit of life as well. If it's a Mac, it's mostly like a white mouse, and there will be just that much shadow. So there'll be definitely a shadow, but how intense it is of course dependent on the light source and in what kind of dark and light sources are nearby as we are working. And I would recommend that when we are working, it should be all well lit. That is a highly recommended thing to go about. So right there we have the hand on in this case, a more modern, more up-to-date, and more particularly a Mac mouse. Just putting in some tones right there. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.